Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Fidelity ETFs. A comprehensive tutorial designed to provide you with a thorough understanding of how to invest in exchange-traded funds using Fidelity. First, it is essential to understand what ETFs are, which are essentially a type of investment fund that is traded on a stock exchange. Like individual stocks, they hold a basket of securities, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and provide diversification and flexibility to investors. To get started with Fidelity ETFs, you will need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. This can be done online, over the phone, or in person at a local Fidelity branch. Once your account is open, you can fund it with money, which will be used to purchase ETFs. Next, you will need to choose the ETFs you want to invest in. Fidelity offers a wide range of ETFs, covering various asset classes and sectors. You can research and compare different ETFs on the Fidelity website, using tools such as the ETF screener and the research dashboard. When selecting ETFs, it is crucial to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are a conservative investor, you may want to focus on bond or dividend ETFs, which tend to be less volatile. If you are more aggressive, you may consider stock or sector ETFs, which offer the potential for higher returns. Once you have selected the ETFs you want to invest in, you can place a trade using the Fidelity online trading platform or mobile app. You will need to specify the number of shares you want to buy and the price you are willing to pay. It is also important to understand the fees associated with Fidelity ETFs. Most Fidelity ETFs have low or no management fees, but you may still pay trading commissions and other expenses. Be sure to review the fee schedule before making a trade. Finally, it is essential to monitor and adjust your ETF portfolio regularly. You can use the Fidelity website or mobile app to track the performance of your ETFs and make changes as needed. It is also a good idea to rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure that your investments remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on the Fidelity website, you can create a diversified portfolio of ETFs that meets your investment needs and helps you achieve your long-term financial goals.